Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Wells Fargo mobile banking. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps to get started with mobile banking and make the most of its features. First, you need to download the Wells Fargo mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Enroll Now to start the enrollment process. You will need your Wells Fargo account information, including your username and password, to complete the enrollment. After enrolling, you can log into the app using your username and password. If you have a Wells Fargo debit or credit card, you can also use the card information to log in. The app will prompt you to create a 4-digit passcode for added security. Once you are logged in, you can view your account balances and transaction history. You can also transfer money between accounts, pay bills, and deposit checks remotely using the mobile deposit feature. To deposit a check, simply select the account you want to deposit into. Take a picture of the front and back of the check, and enter the check amount. You can also use the app to send and receive money with Zelle, a person-to-person payment service. To use Zelle, select the account you want to send from. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number, and enter the amount you want to send. In addition to these features, the app also allows you to set up account alerts, manage your account settings, and find nearby Wells Fargo ATMs and banking locations. To set up account alerts, select the account you want to set alerts for. Choose the type of alert you want to receive, such as a low balance alert, and enter your contact information. To get the most out of Wells Fargo mobile banking, make sure to keep your app updated. Use strong passwords and passcodes, and monitor your account activity regularly. You can also customize the app to fit your needs by selecting which accounts you want to view and setting up shortcuts to your most frequently used features. By following these steps and using the features and best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can take control of your finances and manage your Wells Fargo accounts on the go with the mobile banking app.